Wow, it's very, very windy. It's warm but windy. I don't understand what is going on with this weather. If it's warm, it either rains or it's windy. So either way, look at that. Wow. There we have it. We took her out today because, like I said, it's early. It was warm. So, but the only thing is that it's cloudy and windy. But what is this? Something's going on here. This doesn't look normal. Am I hitting things? Huh. Maybe I should buy something. Yeah, maybe I should buy the radiator guard. That looks kind of weird. That doesn't look normal at all. So I might buy the radiator guard. Just because I noticed this now. Oh, we reached 101 miles, people. Yay! We're getting there to the 200-mile mark. Wow, I gotta clean this bike. Look at that. Wow. Definitely gotta clean it. But I'm actually still waiting until it warms up a little more. I'm thinking I'm gonna buy that radiator guard now. I don't know. I saw something in the radiator that I don't like. I didn't notice it when I bought it in the dealer, if that was there or not. It's not normal, but if I only ran 100 miles and it's picking up stuff like that, if it's like that, then it will be a good idea to get that radiator cover, because yeah, I'm not liking that. Doesn't look too good. It's not leaking fluid or anything like that, but it's not looking good there. So maybe I'll order the radiator cover too. It's not so cold, people, but it is windy. Making a weird rattling noise that I don't like. It doesn't even sound right, but we're gonna wait and see. I don't like that noise at all. Now it went up again. Sounds weird. Well, this definitely got warranty all the way to next year, February. So, and I've been riding it fairly easy. So, if anything, we'll just take it back to the dealer. We'll see. So far, nothing major. You know, like that radiator thing that I just noticed. I don't like the way that looks. But like I said, we'll see. As long as it doesn't give me nothing crazy. I just feel like it's a little bit clingy now. It could be just me. It could be just me. Alright, and we're off. Whoa! That wind almost blew me off. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's very, very windy. This is always the good parts where you could test the lavender microphone and see how great it is. Because this is like highway winds right now that I'm feeling. And I'm only going 36 miles an hour. But the winds are very, very noisy. So if you hear me, that goes to show you this mic is awesome. People keep staring at me because of the camera, the GoPro. And the setup, I actually put black tape to hold the, I forget what you call that thing, that adapter that you got to use on the GoPro Hero 8 to get the microphone into, because they'll have the Type C connector to 3.5 millimeter jack. input, so I have to put that on the side of the helmet and black tape around it. So I'm pretty sure it looks decent, man. You know, it's not I try to hide everything as good as possible, but the camera is definitely noticeable, so I'm sure people be staring at that a lot. It's not every day they see somebody, you know, with a GoPro mounted on their helmet out here. You don't see too many bikers out here. I hear a weird sound, man. I'm hearing a very weird sound. It's like a chicken sound. So hopefully, I hope it comes out in the camera on the mic. What the hell is that? It's like a clicking sound, a chicken sound. What the heck is that noise? Or am I starting to hear? Or am I starting to hear things? I know I hear it. I know I hear the click. Yeah. Yes, I'm going fast. I hear it. That's odd. I'm trying to see if the mic picks it up on the camera. For those of you guys who have these motorcycles, do you hear any like ticking noise when you're riding? It's like almost like valves. See, when I stop, it stops. Maybe, I don't know, I gotta check maybe the exhaust. Maybe I didn't tighten it enough. All that I'm gonna go through again once the summer comes. I'm gonna go through the whole bike. Yeah, I hear it ticking. That's odd. I hear it clear. The light was green probably 20 seconds ago, and now they just noticed. So by the time the tail gets there, we'll probably have a red light. People seem to pay a lot of attention to their phone rather than driving out here. I noticed that too, and that's the suckiest thing. Like, if you're driving, get your eyes out of your phone, man. Stop texting. We're gonna take this light. You know, we took it. Not this one, not this one, not this one. But seriously, people, get your heads out of your phones, man. Pay attention, man. Sometimes the light change, man, and you mess us up all the way in the back, man. Because by the time you realize it's green, already 20 seconds has gone by, and you know. So if you wanna text, then pull over, man. What is that commodity that you wanna drive and text? No, pull over, text, and then go and drive when you're done. Because you're not only risking your life, but you're messing our lives up too. Like I said, we get stuck